In a truck accident, if a tire flies off a truck and causes the accident, who's at fault? And in this instance, we're talking about an 18-wheeler who's driving down the road, a tire comes off from underneath and hits your car and causes a collision, causes a wreck, or causes a pileup. Most of the time, there's two main parties that are going to be at fault. First is going to be the truck driver and the trucking company. They're responsible for maintaining the vehicle and inspecting it every time they get on the roadway. The next would be a mechanic or a maintenance company that was actually looking at the tires to make sure they were taken care of. Don't listen to the trucking company. They say you can't bring a claim. It's not our fault because a tire came off the vehicle. They're responsible for proper maintenance, proper taking care of the car, and whatever company was servicing it may be at fault as well. If you're hurt due to a tire flying off a truck, you want to make sure you talk to an attorney that can explain your rights, conduct a thorough investigation, and make sure you're protected. If you have more questions like that, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.